Okay, may trade tayo 'no, ngayong August 22, 2025 at, approve na po ito 'no ng PBA. Nasa PBA transactions page na po 'yan sa kanilang website. Ang, Magnolia acquiring Javi Gomez de Leaño from Terra Firma in exchange for Jerick Anmisi and a season 50 second round draft pick. So 'yan po yung breakdown ng naging trade 'no between Terra Firma and ito pong, Magnolia 'no, and again, Javi Gomez de Leaño involved in this trade, and that means yung signing rights na ni Javi Gomez de Leaño ay owned na ngayon ng Magnolia 'no. So, Magnolia na po yung makikipag-negotiate kay Javi Gomez de Leaño in terms of his contract, but, technically ngayon, he's an unrestricted free agent after playing last season with the Anyang Jungkwanjang Red Boosters sa Korea 'no. He last played in the PBA during the 2023-24 season with Terra Firma. His final conference with the Jeep, yun po yung magical season or conference ng Terra Firma na kung saan umabot sa quarterfinals yung Terra Firma, only to fall short against top seed San Miguel during that campaign 'no. So mukhang on his way back na si Javi Gomez de Leaño sa PBA because sa ngayon wala siyang team sa Korea 'no. Sila Arvin Tolentino nandun na, si Kevin Kiambao. Uh, that means yung preparation ng mga Korean teams para sa kanilang KBL season is now underway, but si Javi Gomez de Leaño walang team. So looks like he is now headed and he is set to sign with Magnolia with this development 'no. So si Jerick Hanmisi naman napunta sa Terra Firma, and again he has been with that shot since he was drafted by the team in season 46 during the draft held March 14, 2021. And again, he played for 4 years with Magnolia. And yung kanyang Philippine Cup eliminations average during the 49 season, 4.9 points, 1.3 rebounds. At nakilala actually si Misi over the couple of conferences with his ability to shoot from 4-point range. Talagang marami siyang nagagawang 4-point attempts dito sa Magnolia. During the Philippine Cup campaign, he shot 3 of 8 from fours and also made 3 of 9 from threes in 8 games with the hot shot. So again, the trade that went down between Terra Firma and Magnolia, again, Javi Gomez de Leaño moving to Magnolia in exchange of Jerick Anmisi and a season 50 second round draft pick. So ito pong darating na draft po yan, no? Yung season 50 second round draft pick na yan, mapupunta from Magnolia to Terra Firma, yung draft pick na yan sa second round. So again, yan po yung latest between that trade between Magnolia and Terra Firma. In case you missed it, di nyo pa po nababalitaan, may naganap nga pong trade between Magnolia and Terra Firma. Comment down below kung ano masasabi nyo sa trade na yan. And again, thank you for watching us on our YouTube channel and we will see you next time.